Yo, like, cause whenever I sit in your car, like I sit your car like this. So.
It don't work like that. Hey, welcome back to another video from AD. Appreciate y'all coming back. Y'all just saw the ignorance just now. But hey, in this video, motor is going on the cherry picker, the lift. I'm gonna throw the flywheel, clutch, pressure plate on, and if I can find my
Bazinga.
what is that?
The gabagoo.
That you used to align the
gabagoo.
the alignment tool that for the clutch. What do you call it again?
The clutch key.
Oh, the clutch key.
The what?
The splice key or something like that.
Yeah, I can't remember the name right now, but I'm gonna see if I find mine. It should be on my cart, and we're gonna go and install all that stuff and put the engine with the transmission. Yeah. We might have a problem. I don't know what the bolts are.
For what?
To put the transmission.
Or just get some different ones and go buy them at Swiftco or something.
Damn.
Hey, if you want
Did somebody say expensive?
You're gonna be wasting time looking for them.
Alright, hey, but anyway, we're gonna bring the lift out, lift that baby up, and go from there.
You're gonna do it right now?
Yeah.
Okay, hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Bazinga. The gabagoo.
The gabagoo.
That's what I've been saying for like the past minute. So you want to hold it, or you want me to hold it, or you want to lower it? How you want to do this?
We're just gonna lift it up, put it on there.
So just go like that?
Yeah.
How?
You'll see. All right, guys. We got it on there. Woo! I'm gonna
I'm tired of this.
end the video here. My camera is on red battery. I don't want to run out, so we're gonna go ahead and finish throwing this together. No, don't do damage this shit, man. Especially now that it's hooked up. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much, as always. I appreciate it. Keep sharing the videos. Contact me for merch. As soon as this young man gets to it, we're gonna have a website up soon, so you can go straight to the website, order your merch, and instead of going through me.
That way it's less awkward.
Yep, and that's pretty much it. Oil seal, rear, main oil seal, flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, in place, transmission on. So again, another step closer to getting the KA ready. I'm gonna relocate the turbo feed line next video.
Put it inside the headers.
Put the bolts on the studs for the turbo itself. Bolt that down with a gasket and fix the oil line. So that's coming up in the next video. But hey, appreciate it. Thank you, as always. And we're gonna finish this up, clean up, and get home. Cause ooh, it's 10 o'clock. Ay, ay, ay. We gotta go. Gotta go. All right, folks.
Bye bye. Have a good time. Come again. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Goodbye now.